Custom fields on Clarra allow you to include what information and data you need, where you need it. With custom fields, you can add information to the Matters, Plaintiffs, Events, and Contacts sections, and customize the field type and layout so that the information is as accessible and useful to you as possible. You can create custom major section headers and section headers underneath them to organize and order your custom fields on the page as they appear. Make sure to create section headers before the custom fields you would like to place under them. The order of operation should be to create first the major section header, then custom fields, so it's worth outlining how you would generally like the field to function and appear before creating it. You can also create custom field groups to associate up to 4 custom fields together. This feature is particularly useful for displaying related information in one custom space. Check out our video and articles on custom field groups for more information. Also, keep in mind that once you enter data into a custom field, the custom field cannot be deleted unless you delete the data entered. To create a custom field, click on your profile icon and select Properties. From there, select the tab of the section you'd like to create a custom field for. How about we make one for Contacts, and use it to specify a contact's preferred communication method. Click Add Property, and we're on the Create a Custom Field page. Before we create the custom field itself, let's create a section header to organize it. For Contacts, custom fields are placed in the default Custom Fields major section header in the Contact Info tab, and you can create section headers below it to organize your custom fields. You can create custom major section headers for Matters and Plaintiffs. First, name the section header. Let's say Communication Preferences. Then, select the section header field type. There are many field types available to choose from when creating a custom field, from text boxes to drop-down selects to date ranges to phone numbers, and we have an article on the support site that goes through them all. When creating a section header, make sure to select the section header as the field type. Press Save when you're done. Now that we've created the section header we want to place the custom field under, let's create the custom field itself. Click Add Property again and enter the field name. We'll go with Preferred Communication Method. For field type, we have a few different options. If you want to type in the contact's preferred method when you add or edit the contact, you could select single line text. If you want to click on a predetermined option, such as call, text, or email, you could select single checkbox. If you want to be able to select multiple of the aforementioned options, multiple checkbox would be the way to go. A drop-down would function similarly to a checkbox in this case, and offer a different visualization if you prefer that. Let's pick multiple checkbox, and then add the options we would like to include in the checkbox. Click Add Option, and type in the values. Let's say phone call, text, and email. You can choose the sort order of the options as well, including ascending, descending, and custom. With custom, you can easily drag and drop options to order them. You can also indicate whether or not this field includes any personally identifiable information, and choose to hide it by default if so. Finally, we'll configure a couple of rules for the field. You can choose whether or not to hide the field when empty, so if you haven't selected a preferred communication method for a contact, the field won't be visible on their contact information. You will be able to see the empty field when editing the contact. We then select the section header we created and would like to display this field under. You can also determine which users have view and edit access to the field. You can grant access to all users except selected users only, or group members only, and choose from a group you've created, and even create exceptions within those groups. You can learn more about creating user groups on our support site. The ability to restrict view and edit access, coupled with marking fields as personally identifiable information, helps ensure the security of the information you enter, and that it is only seen by authorized users. If you have multiple custom fields for a given section, you can adjust the layout within their our Communications Preferences section. Select Custom and drag and drop where you'd like to place it. Press Apply when you're done. Let's head over to Contacts to see the custom field in action. If we create a new contact, we can scroll down to Custom Fields to see our section header and custom field, as well as the clickable options we included. We can also edit an existing contact to update their communications preferences, selecting multiple options or just one. Press Update to save the changes. Back on the Contacts page, click the Table Settings icon and check the box next to our custom field to include We've now made it so that we can see our contact's preferred communication method with just a glance, thanks to custom fields. This is just one simple example of how you can use custom fields on Clarra. There are countless scenarios and variations of how you can use custom fields to tailor Clarra to the specific needs of your company and workflow and provide the information you want where you want it. For more detail on custom fields, custom field groups, field types, section headers, controlling custom field visibility, and all things customization, visit our support site.